Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson. This is today's Tàijíquán Tip. I've been considering the moving air today and thinking how a sail uh, open to the wind is going to affect the craft that the sail is attached to, whereas a sail um, perpendicular to that wind is going to have less, or maybe we could just simply say no effect on the vessel that it's attached to. And so I've been kind of thinking about, as the breeze is kind of readily apparent today, but also off and on, as I've been practicing, when the wind comes up from whichever direction, I'm considering what elements of my body, not my stance, not the hull, are ready to receive that wind, and do they want to turn me weather vane style with that wind? And I've been using that to sort of tune into the subtle energy of the wind, maybe more subtle than a push hands opponent, um, and using that as an opportunity to stretch. So if I'm here, I don't know, let's just say I'm here and the wind is coming, this will turn and allow a stretch for me. If maybe my hands were here and the wind comes from the camera, this might allow a stretch for me. Not something to destabilize me, but I'm kind of trying to practice receiving the wind as opposed to moving in alignment with it. Trying to imagine that the wind moves me. Whether it does or not, I'm kind of playing with the idea. But it's certainly a nice practice to go with the wind as well. But here I'm kind of imagining like I'm a sail or a screen, a glass door open to the wind that gets knocked around. So uh, enjoy that, and make sure that you work out often enough to get winded. Thanks.
Thank you for your support. We're relying on donations now more than ever. Here are all the ways that you can help. Online reviews, sharing videos, commenting, subscribing also help.